Hello, I'm called Isofa. Are you one of those having difficulties with mobile money transactions history? Say someone has sent money to you and yet you cannot find the message in your phone. Or better still, you send and receive money quite often and you also pay for services using mobile money. And you desire to have a detail of your transactions for the day, or say for a week, or say for a month, and you do not know how to go about with this. It turns out that MTN has a dedicated site for this purpose. Watch on and let me show you how to pull this off. You will need a computer connected to the internet and a web browser. With your web browser open, go on and type MTN mobile money login and click enter. It will search and display options corresponding to the keyword that you have searched. Go ahead and select the first match, MTN mobile money login. When you click on it, with this service, it will permit you to have access to your transactions history for a given period of time. We are going to go ahead and enter our phone number and our mobile money PIN. Remember that this site is secured by SSL. So you should not be afraid to enter your phone number and your mobile money PIN. Go ahead and enter your phone number and your mobile money PIN. We'll take login to proceed. You wait for some seconds for an OTP to be sent to your phone. Once the OTP is sent to your phone, you're going to check your message inbox and you enter the OTP that's been sent to your phone and you click proceed to continue. Here is your transaction histories page. On this page, you have the account holder, which is your phone number. You have the statement inquiry, where you can check your statement inquiry. You have view option, where you can have the details of your account. And if you want to log out, you're going to take log out below. We're going to take statement inquiry in order to have our transactions history. Go ahead and click on statement inquiry. Go ahead and check the first box that corresponds to the first option. Click next to continue. On the next page, you'll be expected to select a start date and an end date. This will permit you to be able to give the duration during which you desire to have your transactions history. Go ahead and select the start date. It can be up to a maximum of 90 days. That means you can have your transactions history up to a maximum of 90 days. You're going to click submit to continue. Wow, you look at that. Check that out. That's your transactions history. You can go ahead and download it. You can also go ahead and check details for future references. If you want to download, you click on the download button here and your transactions history will download. You can open and you view it in your folder. It's going to download and give you your transactions history in an Excel format. You can also go ahead and you select any of the transactions that you desire and you check the details of any of these transactions. These details can serve as an official receipt for such a transaction that you have made. And these receipts are valid, can be printed anywhere. When you are through with your details, with whatever you want to go back and check the details of some other transaction, you take return, you click on return button here. At the end of all of this, remember to click on log out. And if this piece of content helped you to learn something, which I know it did, do well to like and follow our page on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks for watching.